Hey guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. Today is the 9th of March. We went to IKEA and we had ourselves lunch in IKEA, and guys, I was like literally dragging myself out of that place. I was so stuffed, but you know, as usual, I've got to tell you guys what the deals are in the shops that we went to today. If you're new to our channel, welcome to the Lindbergz channel, and my name is Sasha, and in this episode we do bargain hunt with the Lindbergz. So every week I have to share with you guys what the good deals are if you live in Sweden, or should in case you want to relocate to Sweden, so you get a little idea of how things work or how cheap things can be in the shops, be it for grocery, be it for household items. So yeah, so you've come to the right channel if you want to get all your information together before you move to Sweden. Let's get into today's video. So the first place we actually went to is IKEA, like I said. So let's start with IKEA, right? We didn't get much, guys. My husband said this is the first time that we've been to IKEA and we didn't buy much, which is good. We went to return a soap dispenser we got from IKEA recently that was made of wood. It was shite, guys, and that actually cost 79 kroners. So we decided to return it and we got ourselves this one. If you guys remember, that same day we got this one as well. I got one of it and then I got the wooden one, and guys, this one is the best. So this was only 9 krona, guys, 9 krona, and it looks so expensive. It's glass. I'll probably do a separate review and let you guys know why I actually bought 3 more, because I'll be using them to put other things in. And then my husband spotted this, guys. Do you guys know what this is? So this, apparently it's a keychain and a phone stand. So yeah, we tried it in the store, and it's quite clever, because most times when I go out and I want to vlog, and maybe I want to vlog about food and stuff like that, you know, I struggle to place my phone. So this is just perfect. There's a wooden one you can actually put in your handbag, but this is just so perfect in case if you don't have your handbag with you guys, and you can always vlog as you go. And this was also 9 kroners. I've not got my rolling pin here, and I am looking to make some African pastries. I will be showing you guys what I'll be using this for, because fortunately in Sweden I don't need to bake cinnamon buns for my husband anymore. I don't need to bake all those things I used to bake in England, because it's just so easy to get here, and much better than maybe what I would probably do, which I doubt. My cinnamon buns are like award-winning, right? They're really good. 49 kroners from IKEA, so it was a good deal because I've been looking elsewhere and that was the best place for it. And then this is the IKEA 365. We used to have quite a lot of this in England, right? They were actually really good. So my husband has been looking for a replacement for our Tefal frying pan, which has lasted us for 2 years, guys. That Tefal has been amazing. We found this one for 199, and it's quite heavy as well. When it's heavy, it's like it's good quality, right? Yeah, we then got our money back from the other soap dispenser, so we paid roughly 220 something kroners for all that from IKEA. We move on to the reason why my husband went with me to IKEA was because he wanted to get some sweets. So today, because today is the final of Eurovision, and I think everyone just munched away whilst they watch it, guys. Because when we went into that sweet shop, guys, there were adults there. Like adults, like proper adults, all picking sweets. Seriously, stocking their bags with sweets. So yeah, it's strange that in Sweden, they love sweets, but they're so healthy. My husband was like, try and include yourself. Get some sweets, get some sweet. And I was like, no, babe, I'm on diet. And he's like, no, get some sweet, get some sweet. So I reluctantly, I got myself a bag of sweets. and I swear mine happens to be the heaviest one. No, that's his. Actually, his is the heaviest one. Mine is slightly heavy. So yeah, so he got quite a lot of licorice. Let me just give you guys a sneak peek. I'll probably show you guys when I put it in the container. So look at his, guys. His is all black because it's like licorice. And then mine, I actually went for things that I've never really had. So those are the ones that I got from there. It's quite kind of like nutty because I like my nuts. I love my chocolates. These 2 bags, can you believe it? 260 something kronas. When my husband said it to me, I was like, are you having a laugh? But it's heavy. He says it's good deal because we went to this shop. I can't pronounce this place. Kind of like more affordable there than if you went into your local store to get your pick and mix. That's what we call them. Is it a good deal? Reluctantly, yes, it is a good deal. Yeah, so we went into ICA and we only went there to get noodles and fill milk and banana and pizza stuff. In fact, we went in for all this, guys. So yeah, so we went in to get stuff to make pizza with. So we're going to show you guys how you can use this sort of bread to make pizza. So we'll be doing this tomorrow. I think it was 30 something kronas, and then this, it was 40 something kronas as well. So this is like the ham you use for the pizza, and then the nuts is, or peanuts is also for the pizza. The banana is for the pizza as well, and then we got some more chips. And then we got cheese for the pizza. This was actually a better deal. 500 gram was like 49 kronas, so that wasn't bad. And then we got some nuggets because lately I am obsessed with nuggets, guys. And yeah, so we got this bread. My husband says it's a really, really good bread. We got some salt. This salt will probably last us till the end of the year because we've run out of our salt. I finally got my fill milk because all week I haven't been able to have my fill milk. So ICA is the only place that has this fill milk that I like. So we got that. We got some milk from my husband. We got some apple juice. He wanted to actually get himself a bottle of drink in the store, and I says to him, no, this is more better deal, but he forgot to drink it when we came into the car. And then I got myself my noodles, guys. But guess what I saw today as well? I saw more African stuff like Nido. Is it Nido, the powdered milk? I saw it in ICA, guys. So if you're from Africa and you've been wanting to get your Nido, go into your ICA Maxi. I'm sure they would have it there in wherever you are. And then this is for our pizza, and this is for the pizza as well. I think tomato puree is for the pizza, right? So that's just for normal. I thought that's for pizza. And I still got myself cotton board, guys. My husband showed me a way to clean your ear today, but I don't trust that way, guys. So I went in and I got some more cotton board. And then last but not least, we got this. My husband is obsessed with this cheese. So when we saw it, it was on offer. I think this cost 90 kronas. It's quite heavy as well, even though we still have slab of cheese. What?
I said 2 pieces inside.
No, it's a big chunk.
No.
Is it? How is it 2 pieces? I can feel it, baby. It's 1 chunk. 90 kronas, we got this. It's lasts till the 6th of June, so we don't need to open it now because we still have some cheese. So yeah, so everything we got from ICA cost us 517. Was it a good deal? Yep. The cheese was a good deal. The grated cheese was a good deal. The noodles was a fantastic deal. It was like 21 kronas for each bag, which is 5 in a bag. The apple juice was a good deal as well. It was 20-something kronas for 1.75 liters. The bread was on offer. 37 kronas was a good deal. It was basically a good deal from ICA, guys. So it wasn't bad. So yeah, so that's it for today's bargain hunt with the Lindbergz. So if you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to hit that like button and share. Like I say, the more you share these videos, the more you help people that are thinking of relocating to Sweden and they don't know where to start or they get anxious. See you guys on the next bargain hunts. Whatever you do, have a lovely weekend. Mwah.